Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to manage Google accounts on your Google Pixel and add or remove a Google account. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to tap the gear icon to open your device settings. This is where you'll find all the system controls and configuration options for your Pixel phone. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down and tap on Google. This section houses all your Google-related settings and account management features, making it the central hub for everything connected to your Google services. Now tap on your profile picture or account name at the top of the screen. This will show you all the Google accounts currently linked to your device. From here, you have full control over adding new accounts or managing existing ones. If you want to add another Google account to your Pixel, simply tap Add Another Account. This feature is particularly useful if you have multiple Google accounts for work, personal use, or different projects and want to access them all from one device. Wait a moment while the page loads. The system needs a few seconds to prepare the account login interface. Once it's ready, you'll see a field where you can input your email address. Go ahead and enter the email associated with the Google account you want to add, then tap Next to proceed to the password screen. On the next screen, input your password for that Google account and tap Next again. Google will now verify your credentials and prepare to link the account to your device. After verification, you'll see Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Review them if needed, then tap I agree to confirm. And just like that, you've successfully added a new Google account to your Pixel. Now wait until the account fully loads and syncs with your device. This might take a few moments, so be patient while Google sets up all your services, contacts, and settings. Once everything is synced, you're ready to use this account across all your Google apps. If you ever need to remove a Google account from your device, tap on your profile picture again and then tap Manage Accounts on this device. This will show you a complete list of all Google accounts currently connected to your Pixel. Tap on the Google account you want to remove from the list. On the Account Details page, you'll see an option that says Remove Account. Tap it to begin the removal process. A confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to remove this account. This is important because removing an account will also remove all associated data, emails, and contacts from your device. If you're certain, tap Remove Account one more time to confirm, and the account will be disconnected from your Pixel. And that's it. You now know how to add and remove Google accounts on your Google Pixel device. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.